Wait, how many times you want to do?
Hey guys, it's me Cutie saying I just stopped recording and now I need to continue because I need to do part 3 right away. Yeah, we need to beat this one bug. Remember, how people say this? Well, I think this is when I get 10 likes, probably. Yeah, but if I'm raining with subscribers, I would do 10 subscribers and 20 subscribers in the same episode if I have enough time. Next, the more subscribers I have, I'll also do better sub specials because some people think that. Oh wait. Since when did I off it already? I was recording. Oh, sorry guys, I was recording. I didn't notice that. So Some people may think that why the moon? I already beat the moon. The moon's so easy. So yeah, because the more subscribers I gain, the more stronger I'll be in Battle Cat. So I'll be able to beat more difficult stages, and it'll be more and more exciting. For now, I'm just doing a tutorial on the 3 moons. So bye guys. Hope you liked the video.